On February 5, 2025, University of Central Florida Police responded to an unrelated call at a campus dorm in Orlando, Florida, where student Jarrett Vick immediately confronted officers and sparked a heated argument. The dispute quickly exploded into a meltdown over misgendering.
If you don't lower your voice, I am going to put handcuffs on you and I'm going to take you to a Baker Act facility. You lower your voice.
Try it.
Are you threatening me?
You're threatening me.
Are you threatening me?
I'm not just...
Because I'm here right now to deal with a stolen vehicle. I ain't got time to hear you screaming and yelling.
I don't have time to constantly be abused.
We'll get OPD down here then, because I gotta work this stolen vehicle.
What do you mean OPD?
Alpha 73 University.
Alpha 73.
Can we get another unit to deal with Jay Lee here? He is having a breakdown.
Say! Just say the right pronoun!
What'd you say?
7351.
Get down on the ground right now.
No!
You're about to get sprayed.
No, just
Get down on the ground right now.
Leave me alone!
I can come in there.
Leave me alone, please!
Okay, are you gonna calm down?
I'm getting my phone out. I have to film this.
I'm telling you, are you gonna calm down?
I will calm down. I will calm.
Do you know what this is?
I will calm down when you get the pepper spray out of my face.
Alpha 73.
Leave me alone.
I have
just please.
Pepper spray.
Please. Just stop pointing the pepper spray at me. I will calm down if you do that. Stop threatening me.
Yeah, lower your voice.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Do you want to get tased?
I want you to leave me alone.
Josh.
You have been particularly abusing me.
If you come towards me one more time,
follow me.
You are gonna.
And sex abuse administrators. Don't you remember? Don't you remember?
Jaylee, don't focus on me, okay?
Take your show 97. 13.
Okay?
Get away!
You don't tell me where to go.
Let me stop.
You cop!
Alpha 73 University.
Jaylee.
I want to be away from
No,
him.
it's too late now. It's too late now. He's gonna be taken away.
Shay!
Jaylee, you need to stop. Stop.
It's taken.
I just want to get away from him.
I understand that.
He needs
Shay!
He.
Shay! Stop misgendering me! Just say she!
Alpha 73.
Josh, can you please just tell them to use the right pronouns? Please! You know it's causing me a lot of distress.
I need you to bring it down here, though, okay?
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you very nicely. Put your stuff down, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Alpha 70 to Riley or Rivera.
Not going to be arrested.
Put your stuff down.
Rivera.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay, so
Just trying to get on
I'm only
Riley.
gonna ask you one more time. You can record all you want, but it's already beyond that point. We already tried.
You're stressing me out.
It doesn't matter.
I'm just asking you to please stop stressing.
We already tried to help you. So.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
You came in with hostile intent.
Put your hands.
Be alone.
Get on the ground right now.
Don't
Get
hurt me.
Get on the ground right now.
Don't hurt me.
Get down on the ground right now.
Hey.
Get him right this way.
Leave me alone.
Stop. Get down. Get down on the ground. Get down.
Yeah.
Get down.
Leave me alone. Help. Help me.
Get down.
Her.
Get down. Get down. Get him down.
Let go. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back, please.
I can't.
No.
My rights. I just wanted you to.
Come on, stop.
Josh, please. Josh! Josh! Please, this is all a big misunderstanding.
I'm gonna spray him.
No, please don't say him. Her.
Okay, her. I'm gonna spray her.
Thank you.
Put your hand behind your back.
No.
Yes. I don't want to spray you.
On three,
Wait.
reference.
One.
Give me your hand.
One resisting. As you get one.
Can I? Is there any way I can?
No, give me your hand.
Please.
Give me your hand.
I just. Please. I can calm down if you just give me some space.
See what's gonna happen?
Emergency north for 988 reference
That hurts.
I just need
Put your hand behind your back.
I just
Your
need
hand
space.
behind your back.
Put your hand
I
behind your
need
back.
space.
Give me your hand.
I just need
Give me
space,
your
please.
hand.
Put your hand.
Jalen, give me your hand.
Okay, I'm gonna tase you if you don't cooperate. Taser.
Jalen, give me. Jalen, it's gonna hurt, man. Just give me your hand. He's not gonna tase you if you give me your hand.
You're gonna arrest me.
No.
Give me your hand.
Yes, we need
Yes.
your hand.
I don't arrest me. No.
Let go. Give me your hand.
Gonna get it again this time.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Leave me alone.
Give me your hand.
Alone.
I'm gonna get this.
All right. Give me your hand.
Please.
I got his leg. I got his leg.
Give me your hand. All right. Give me your hand. Let go. Put your wrist. Relax him, okay? There you go.
We got him.
Let me go first.
Resistant.
And battery on Leo.
Bad. I had to tase him.
What is that supposed
I
to
tased
do?
him.
Comply! Now you're under arrest for battery on Leo.
Roll over. Roll over. Now get up.
Josh, please.
On your knee.
I'm trying.
Now stand up.
Can I have my phone? Ow, I can't get up.
You said you did taser, right?
Yes.
Her.
Yeah.
Her. Her. Josh,
You don't anyone know or any references?
Stun. Sit down. We're gonna have the fire department take a look at you.
Josh, this is a big misunderstanding.
You're good. Let's just take it to the car.
Put him in my patrol car.
Okay.
I'll take him.
Wait.
You're gonna be alright.
Come on.
No.
Thanks, Josh.
Can I have my phone back?
We'll get your belongings. Alright.
Over Virginia headquarters, I'll be sent over ship over dude.
I hate you all. I hate you. You escalated this. You didn't have to pull out the pepper spray. You didn't have to continue to misgender me. You knew my buddies and you set them off.
I'm not sure.
Please step in.
Watch your head.
Do not push me.
Actually, check the schedule and see how many you have on main campus.
Stand by.
So that's when I got involved. I got a cuff on him. And when we got him up against the elevator trying to get the...
Wait, so when you had the spray out, or you said... You
I did not
jumped
spray
in.
him.
Okay.
Yeah. So when he came, when I was trying to get him calmed down, is when he freaking damn motioned towards me, and I said, "I'm gonna spray you."
Okay.
Then I pulled out the spray.
Okay.
Everybody else started clearing. I tried to calm him down. I even had Josh try to talk to him. He wouldn't calm down. I told him that today he was going to go if he doesn't
No, you're good, man.
freaking damn cooperate. Finally, at one point, I said, "Hey, it's way too late for everything. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Trying to do this as peacefully as possible."
Yeah.
Kept on resisting, grabbed him, and it was on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I grabbed, Riley secured one hand, and then I was able to cuff it, but as we were trying to secure it to his back and get his second hand around, he rotated around and threw a closed fist at me.
Okay.
Did it hit you?
If he did, I didn't feel it.
Yeah, he didn't. I mean, he tried, but
I was able. I think because I don't remember him actually, but
what saved was me grabbing his legs.
Yeah.
Because
but then he grabbed my mic, as you see, it's all stretched out. He grabbed my mic, trying to rip it off, and like I said, he kept. And then when we got him against the second elevator, he threw a kick. That one hit me.
Okay.
He threw a kick on me, and then we tried to get him, and like I said, we just kept bouncing back and forth with him until we finally got him on the ground.
Here's the thing, though, to think about. Should he be back-racked or should he be taken to jail?
I mean, they can do that at the jail.
Okay, because he's going to need some care.
Yeah.
There's something wrong.
Yeah.
And he definitely can't be with Gen Pop. They will destroy him.
No, they're going to put no. In this case, with this particular individual, they're probably going to put him in protective custody as soon as we get there. As soon as he gets out of processing.
I appreciate you coming.
Jarrett Vick was charged with battery on law enforcement, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. Although he pleaded not guilty to all charges, court records show that the cases have since been closed. What do you think about this situation? Did the officers handle the breakdown properly, or was the response too aggressive? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more of the most intense police body cam footage and wild confrontations, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next case.